Arjun, a 20-year-old college graduate. He said that his goal was to own a car in the next 5 years. After 5 years, when the time came for Arjun to buy the car, he just didn't have enough money to afford it. Hasn't this happened with you? You work hard, you earn well, and you think that you save well too, but you still cannot fulfill all your ambitions. Isn't there something missing? The reality is that you cannot achieve all your personal goals if you don't plan your finances well. It isn't enough to merely know your goal. You have to be very specific about it and plan for it. If your goal is vague, you may not be able to achieve it in the future. An easy way to go about planning for your goal properly is to remember the word SMART. Not only do you have to be smart while planning for your goals themselves have to be smart. Here is what you can do. Clearly define your goals. For example, Arjun could have thought more clearly about which car and model he really wanted. Similarly, you should think about how big a house to buy and in which locality. Which college do you want your child to study in? And will that be in India or abroad? Do you want a retirement fund sufficient for maintaining your existing lifestyle? Or do you want to do much more in your retirement? The thing is, while you think of a specific financial goal, it is advisable to also account for other financial goals that you may wish to achieve in the future. But just defining a goal isn't enough. You need to also set a clear time frame for yourself. A car this year or 5 years from now? A home after 5 years or 10? When will your child enroll in college? Will you retire in 30 years or do you plan to retire early? Now comes the painful but important step of thinking clearly about the cost of every goal. Don't forget to adjust these costs for inflation over your defined time frame. After all, what costs 1 lakh today may cost 1.5 lakh after 5 to 6 years. The next step involves thinking about how much risk you can handle. For example, if you want to achieve short-term goals such as buying a car or paying a down payment for your house in the next 3 to 5 years, you need to limit the risk you can take and generally make safer investment choices such as balanced mutual funds to supplement your savings. Over a longer time period, however, you can probably take more risk. Remember, a longer time period may allow you to earn higher returns and also recover from any bumps along the way. Hence, you can choose investment options such as equity mutual funds, which can offer you higher returns at a slightly higher risk. Before you choose an investment product, keep in mind that every individual's risk appetite also varies based on other parameters such as age, a change in the number of people financially dependent on the individual's current financial situation, general attitude towards decision making, etc. It is therefore very important to carefully judge the risk you can handle, as even your closest friends who otherwise seem very similar may have completely different orientations towards risk-taking. When you have thought about all of these factors, you will have a very clear picture of what you need to do to achieve your goals. You will need to select the right mix of investment products that will help you get to your goals within your desired time horizon. While you can plan by yourself, you can also seek help from your investment advisor, who will help you make investment choices according to your financial goals. But do read up on and understand the investment options suggested by your advisor before you make any decisions. In the age of information and communication, ignorance is hardly a valid excuse. Hopefully, you're already at work, scribbling away on your notepad, taking that first step towards achieving your dreams and aspirations. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.